4 goddamn days.
私はサルゴスです。
Right, so here we are again. The last couple of days I've done, well, you can see puzzles and an extremely Mario themed birthday. But today, as we see this beautiful puzzle and birthday footage, today I woke up and had half a heart attack. I've gotten a mail. The mail says, "Welcome to the Akihabara Hotel check-in in 4 days' time." And my brain and heart skipped several beats because 4 days is not... it's a matter of hours. One of those days is travel time, so basically 3 days. And I'm here doing puzzles? I don't know. I feel like I should be in hardcore packing mode at the moment. I am not. I have found my suitcase and I have found my passport and super expensivo JR Pass ticket thing is in order. But I need to start planning out the rest of the trip and it all feels like it's crashing down. I mean... I don't want mails like that. Just pretend it's far away, something. Do me a favor. Wishing me welcome to a hotel on the other side of the earth in 3.5 days' time is not good. Not good. Anyway, here we see a sad little man doing a puzzle. I don't know why. No, I do know why, actually. A friend of mine and myself kind of talked ourselves into attending the World Puzzle Championships, which is... it ranks fairly high among my shit-ass ideas of the last decade. But I don't... that's not gonna stop me, probably. So I've been practicing some puzzling, and the Norwegian Championship, as it turns out, is 40 minutes from my house, and it's in 2 months' time or so. I may actually do that, but this is neither here nor there. I need to stop this puzzling, like that, and start packing, start getting my trip in order. And I feel like there's no chance I'm not gonna make some huge packing errors. It's just bound to happen. Oh, here's another puzzle. Yeah. One more for good measure. God, how does one pack? I've done it hundreds of times and I'm never comfortable. And it's never wrong, but it always feels like maybe it's wrong. You know? It's just not a good time. Oh, and look at these glorious Mario drawings. There's something special about the fancy mind of a child. Anyway, this is just random clips from the birthday party. Yeah, that was chaotic. Interesting. The parents just came by and said, "Yeah, I got some errands to do. So here's my child. Pick him up in a couple of hours." And out of 18 children, 4 parents were present. The rest just up and left. It was a big chaos, and now it's done. I guess that's okay. The next couple of days, I'm just gonna be panicking over the packing. But I mean, we're 4 days out. It's actually gonna happen, and I'm feeling it, let's say. Anyway, see you when there's 3 days left and I'm feeling even worse. Matashta.